Hi, everybody. I'm Andrew Fiss, and I'm going to tell you about my book, Performing Math, A History of Communication and Anxiety in the American Mathematics Classroom, new from Rutgers University Press. So, this book, of course, the title of the book, Performing Math, came from the main argument of the book, which is that there has been a major performative dimension to communicating about math in America. And it principally looks at sources from around the time of the American Civil War, and especially some surprising sources like plays and other actual student performances that were generated at that time. The most surprising thing for me was this document. So when I was doing my dissertation, it was fairly traditional about Civil War era math textbooks. And I found this insert from around 1865 from Cadet Paul Dahlgren's diary at the US Military Academy. And I kept finding weird things. So I found coffins and plays and time capsules and even a time capsule with a burned book inside it still. So I felt like I needed to reconceptualize what I was doing with these sorts of sources. And so I reorganized around this sort of structure for my book. So this goes back and forth between analyzing actual student performances about math in chapters 2 and 4, and then some classroom expectations for students' communication about math, how students were expected to read about math, to speak in front of the blackboard, and to write, especially tests. So what chapter might be most interesting to this audience? Possibly chapter 5. That one is about an early history of math anxiety. And if you're looking for a chapter to assign to undergraduates, you might like the conclusion. It provides overviews and also indicates some questions that are left unanswered by the book. So you might find that inspiring for other work. And finally, why should my book be on bedside tables and on desks? Well, this book analyzes a lot of humor about American mathematics, and in that way, I hope you'll find it fun.